One thing is that we are actually seeing quite positive developments on the economy as a whole. So in other words, there's a good case to be made with the vaccines and now the serious attention being paid to the virus in the US, as well as obviously in other nations, that things will come under control, the economy will recover, businesses will spend and invest. The issue really has to do make a distinction between the market and the economy. The market has largely priced in a lot of the positive news that we've already seen, that we see happening in the economy. And so there are significant risks that need to be taken into account with respect to the market. However, we still think that we'll continue to see positive action on the markets, with a focus more on cyclical names that will benefit, first of all, from better relative valuations and also closer ties to economic growth. But your question was pointing out, I think, the fact that there is a significant amount of investor optimism or bullishness, which does create some risks in the sense that if this could change, and it's hard to predict when that happens.
That's a very good point, isn't it? When optimism is high or sentiment is very bullish, it can often be a contrarian indicator, can't it, for what's about to occur in the markets. With regards to the economy, are we looking more at convergence, in other words, a globally synchronized upturn here in both developed markets and emerging markets, as opposed to divergence? And is this something that we actually haven't seen for some years?
Yes, we're likely to see that. We're likely to see convergence in the sense that the trends are positive for growth on a global basis, and are likely to favor cyclical names. We do have to be a bit careful in terms of risks of, for example, sovereign debt ratings. A lot of countries, particularly smaller emerging markets, have spent a great deal to control the virus, which was the right thing to do, but that does mean debt accumulation has risen. So there is some risk of downgrades on credit. If that's combined with currency weakness, there could be some problems. So that's a risk to keep an eye on. But aside from that, there should be a global recovery.